I'll be explaining the basic things you need to know about knitting machine. So open your box. This is your transfer tool, your divider. This is my long comb. This is my picker. These are your extra needles, your brush for cleaning of your machine, your row counter, and then we have these 2 holes here. Just slide it into the holes. And then you have your antenna. Just raise it up. Let me remove this row counter for you to see. This row here, insert it. This is your holder or weight to hold your project. You have 2 of these. I've already used one. So you lock your you clamp your knitting machine onto your table. Knitting machine comes with 100 by 100 needles. That's 200 needles. And the middle you have 0. So I want to pass my yarn onto my antenna. I'm making use of 1 strand of yarn. And then you can clip it to your clipper here. On your knitting machine, you will see this A, B, D, E. So when your needles are on A, that means it's not knitting. And then when your needles are on B or D, is on knitting mode. And then on E is on hold on. Here like this. This is my carriage. So I'll insert my carriage on my knitting machine. See the tip here, and then here you allow it to enter, and then you slide through. This right here is my yarn feeder. I can close or open. This is my tuck button, my hold on button. This is my tension bar. 10 is lighter than 9, 9 is lighter than 8, and so on and so forth. So if you're working on a project and you're using tension 2 or 3, your project will be tightly knitted compared to when you're using tension 9 or 10. This is your plate. You can remove or tighten it to your carriage.